What you're about to see is a demonstration of our working proof of concept of our twin-stroke compressionless engine. You'll notice this engine hasn't got any muffler system at all. We believe when we finish developing this engine, it will be ultra quiet. Our engine cycle does not draw in and compress air. We do not combust in nitrogen, so we do not produce nitrogen oxides. We do not burn carbon, we do not produce any carbon emissions, we do not produce sulfur oxides. This engine runs on hydrogen and oxygen.
One of the things that really attracted me to this is the significant ability and the contribution it can make towards the conundrum facing people and politicians regarding high energy prices at a time where we need to transition to renewable energies. We have mobile and stationary applications, so as well as the ability to be able to convert existing engines, just grab any engine off the shelf, we also have the ability to be able to scale up into megawatt power generators.
Our first step is to have an engine like this with a generator there as a key component for an energy storage system. We need the support from forward-thinking people to get our products in use as soon as possible.
This is a game changer. I challenge businesses, government and the Australian public to come on board and let's see what a difference we can really make together.
We need your support to take this technology to the next stage of development. Please go to the Ready Fund Go website and search BRC. Even a pledge of $10 will help us towards our goal. Thank you for your support.